Welcome friends. Today I am going to discuss a very important chapter of mathematics, percentage and its application. This will benefit basically to the students of class 7, 8 and onwards. So my topic is percentage and its application. So my topic is percentage and application. So what does this word percentage means? Percent. Percent. Cent means 100. Cent means 100. So percent means per 100 or out of 100. Suppose a boy has scored 90% in mathematics. He has scored 90% in mathematics. That means out of 100 marks, he has secured 90 marks. And if it is the full marks is 100, if full marks is 100 and marks secured or obtained whatever is 90, it can be represented in two ways. So he scored 90 by 100, that is in the fractional form, or it can be written as 90%. The boy has scored 90%. That means out of 100, he has scored or secured 90 marks. This is the fractional form for representation of his marks, and this is the percentage form for representation. So, these are mainly for representation. Percentage is applied. The concept of percentage is applied to the many fields, like in the case of commercial mathematics, profit loss discount, taxation system, etc., etc. So one should learn it very well. How to convert a percent into fractional form? Conversion of percentage is represented by a symbol. This is a symbol for percentage. Percentage to fraction form. Percentage to fraction form. Suppose there is a number 25%. It is in the fractional form 20 by 100. Vice versa can also happen. That is, from a percentage, from a fractional form, a number can be represented in the percentage form. For example, 3/5 for power fraction. 3/5. In the percentage form, this fraction can be converted to fractional form, percentage form, just by multiplying 100. After cancellation, it becomes 60%. So, in fraction, 3/5 equal to 60%. A decimal number can also be represented in the percentage form. So, what are the methods? A decimal number, let it be 0.04. Let it be 0.04. How to represent it in the percentage form? First, convert it into fractional form, that is 4 by 100. After 0, there are two decimal places, 1 and 2. So 4 by 100, 2 zeros. And when this fraction multiplied by 100, I get 4%. So finally we can say the decimal 0.04 decimal 0.04 equals to 4%. A ratio can also be represented as a percentage form, as percentages. Ratio, suppose there is ratio 3:5. This is the ratio 3:5. How to represent this ratio in the percentage form? Ratio first converted into fractional form, that is 3/5. Then it is multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. Okay, after cancellation, 60%. So the ratio 3:5. So ratio 3:5. Ratio 3:5, I get 60%. In this way, there are many more general formulae or practices for calculation of various forms regarding percentage. I have a summarized form of some formulae that you people can learn so that you can solve the problem related to percentage very quickly. Percentage very quickly. First one, how to express one quantity. How to express one quantity as a percentage of the other quantity. So formula, expressing one formula, let the formula, expressing formulae, list of formulae, expressing one quantity, one quantity as a percentage of the other. Percentage of the other. So what will be the formula? The percentage equals to the percentage, in brief, percentage equals to one quantity. QTI means quantity, but other quantity into 100 in percent. Let us discuss the matter taking example. Suppose there is a question. Express 150 gram as a percentage of 6 kilogram. So how to represent 150 gram as a percentage of 6 kilogram? So 150 gram as a percentage of 6 kg. It will be in this way. First, this kg will be converted into gram because the numerator is in grams. So denominator should also be in the same unit, that is gram. So 6 kg equals to 6,000 gram. So after cancelling the same units and cancelling the zeros, it will be 25, 6 and 6 will be 10. Then 5 5s are 5 2s are 0 0 cancelled. 6 is 50, 110 and 5 to the 10, 5 it is 2 5 by 2%, and that equal to 2.5%. So this example can be used so that you can learn the first formula very well. Another formula, how to find the decrease or increase percent. Suppose the price of a quantity increases. Suppose it was 10 rupees per kilogram for a quantity, let it be the price of potatoes. Then it rises to 15 rupees per kilogram. How to represent the increase or decrease as percentage? So percentage increase equals to increase in value by original value or initial value into 100. The formula is should be written well. That is increase in value, increase percentage equals to increase in value by original value into 100. Similarly, decrease it will be for decrease percentage it will be for decrease percent it will be decrease in value by original value multiplied by 100. The next formula is finding a quantity whose percentage is given. Finding a quantity whose percentage is given. If x% of a quantity is y, if x% of any quantity is y, then what will be the original quantity? The original quantity will be, the actual quantity will be y by x into 100. Y by x into 100. For example, suppose you have given the 25% of a number, 25% of a number is 4. What will be the total number? So total number will be 25% of a number, so value of x is 25%. So 25, the number with the value of y is 4 into 100. So it will be 16. I repeat, if 25% of a number is 4, what will be the actual number? The actual number or original number, you can say 4 by 25. That is, the formula is y by x into y into 100. So x 25% of a number means value of x is 25 and y is 4. So y by x into 100. So original number is 4 by 25 into 100, that is 16. So this formula can be used to solve a problem regarding or a problem related to percentage very well and very quickly. Next one, if a number increases by x, if a number increases by x, so what will be the final number or new number? A number increases by x%. So final or the new number or new quantity will be 1 plus x by 100. 1 by x plus 100 of the original or initial, whatever we may say, original number. And if it is decreased by, and if it is decreased, instead of increase, if it is decreased by x%, if it is decreased by x%, new number will be 1 minus x by 100 of the original number. So using these formulae, you people can solve the problem related to percentage very well and very quickly. Today I have discussed the basic facts of percentage. In my next class regarding percentage, I will simply discuss about the application of percentage. for your betterment so that you can learn well the matter. Thank you.